Guys, look, isn't that the coolest?
What?
Look at the bridge.
Look at that cool bridge up there.
What? What is it?
It's the Disney Channel show, right?
Where are you gonna go? We just thought we'd show it to you. You want to see it? Hey guys.
Yeah. I
Like
see a movie that's playing up there. Let's do
You want to
that.
go? You want to go?
I see the movie on it.
You see the movie? Because you know what? We're not going to Disneyland. We're not going to the Ho Show. Where do you think we're going?
On the Disney cruise?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. No, really. Look, we're going on the cruise.
I thought we were going with number 7.
No, we're going right now.
Yeah. I see the movie playing as Ariel.
Do you? We're
I
going.
see water.
Okay, where are you going?
Is that the way you get on down there?
Where do you get on? Come here. Okay.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Mama, let's go.
Are we ready?